Nestled in the heart of northern Vietnam, Tonkin Handicraft brings light to life, not just through what we make, but how we make it. Today, we take you behind the scenes of a timeless craft, the art of making fabric lampshades. It all begins with structure. Each frame is crafted from iron frame, carefully bent, joined, and welded by hand. The shapes vary, from classic domes to modern cylinders, but every frame must be strong, balanced, and ready to hold its light. Next comes the soul of the lampshade, the fabric. At Tonkin Handicraft, we use natural, breathable textiles like linen, jute, and hand-woven cotton. The fabric is chosen for its texture, its warmth, and the way it diffuses light. Every cut is measured with precision. No waste, no rush. The fabric is then wrapped tightly around the frame, smoothed and stretched with care. Edges are hemmed by hand, seams are hidden, and the stitching is nearly invisible. It's a dance between structure and softness, where the artisan's touch makes all the difference. Once the wrapping is complete, we add the finishing touches, an inner lining, sometimes a reinforcing edge or hand-sewn trim. Every piece is inspected, not just for strength, but for harmony in shape, curve, and glow. A fabric lampshade from Tonkin Handicraft is more than decor. It's the echo of craftsmanship, the rhythm of rural life, and the warmth of human hands. It brings softness to a room and stories to a home. This is the journey of a fabric lampshade made in Vietnam by Tonkin Handicraft.